Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essential prerequisites. Know your plan's Mbps and check for data caps. That tells you the ceiling. Connect the modem directly to the ISP line, then plug your computer into the router's gigabit WAN port with a quality Ethernet cable. Once done, temporarily disable VPNs and background updates. This prevents hidden traffic from skewing tests. Run a quick speed test to see baseline throughput so you can measure improvements later and avoid chasing phantom problems. You now optimize the hardware for consistent throughput. Move the router to a central, elevated spot and remove interference, microwaves, cordless phones, dense walls. This improves wireless signal propagation. Make sure router and modem firmware are current, update them, then select appropriate 5 GHz channel width, 80 MHz or higher where supported, to increase capacity. Configure quality of service to prioritize streaming or work devices, and connect high-demand hosts with 1G Ethernet cables. You finish by fine-tuning and preparing for common failures. Run multiple speed tests, wired versus wireless, to isolate where limits appear, log results for comparison. If numbers lag, swap Ethernet cables and reboot modem and router. Simple resets often clear faults. Try alternative DNS providers to improve lookup times, and if throughput remains low, check for ISP outages or throttling. Finally, collect connection logs and serial numbers. When you escalate to support, these details speed resolution and help replace faulty hardware if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.